Welcome to Desai Academy of class 9th, first chapter, matter in our surroundings. Okay, next topic is evaporations. Okay, from previous classes we discussed that we can change the states of matter from one state to the another state by different methods, and we can also change the gases into a liquid state by applying pressure and reducing the temperature, right? There is some informations about last topic. Next topic comes here, evaporations. Do you always need to heat or change pressure for changing the states of matter? Correct? So already we discussed that we can change the states of matter, solid, liquid and gas by we are all changing solid to liquid, liquid to gas by two factors. What are the two factors? Means we discussed that by changing temperature or changing pressure. By these two factors we are changing the one state to the another state. Other than this, another factor will also affect or also changes solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Can you quote some examples from everyday life where changes of states from liquid to vapor takes place without liquid reaching the boiling point? Okay, we can give some examples, or you can give example in our daily life. So the liquid state is converting into gas without reaching its boiling point. Okay, they are asking, so we can give some examples. Water when left uncovered slowly changes into vapor. Correct? So we can take a full of bucket of water and we have placed in a outside of our home or in a corridor. So in our roof, after 1 hour and 2 hour, so some water will be water reduced in that bucket. So where that water goes, that water is changing into water vapor, right? So this is also one method we can observe in our daily life. Wet clothes dry up. What happens to water in the above two examples? Okay, here when your mom is washing your clothes that are very dirty because of your playing sports in your surrounding area in our garden, so that time your clothes will be water dirty. For that your mother will be washed and she is kept outside for drying up. So after 1 hour the water present in them, they will get vanished and the wet cloth now becomes fully dry. Where that water goes, in both two cases we can easily say that get are vaporized. Correct? These are simple daily life experiments or daily life situations are there. We know that particles of matter are always moving and are never at rest. From earlier chapter we discussing that the particles of matter always moving, and they always moving means which energy they possess. Okay, recall. Correct, that is called as what? Kinetic energy only. So particles are at a never rest, means they are always continuously moving. They are cannot rest and they are not doing rest, they are continuously moving. So they possesses, the moving means they possesses kinetic energy. At a given temperature in any gas, liquid or solid, at a given temperature, we are giving temperature to any states of matter. There are solid, liquid, gas. There are particles with a different amount of kinetic energy. Correct? Solid, liquid and gas, all these are composed of particles. These particles are moving. They moving means they having kinetic energy. Correct? This kinetic energy is not same in all these three states of matter. The kinetic energy of particles in solid state is a different, the kinetic energy of the particles in liquid is a different, the kinetic energy of particles in gaseous state is a different. It is a different for different states of matter. It is not same, but it is same in the solid. So in the case of liquids, a small fraction of particles at the surface having a higher kinetic energy, and it is able to break away from the forces of attraction of to other particles and get converted into vapor. In the liquid state, the surface of the liquid having more kinetic energy. In liquid state, liquid surface having what a more kinetic energy, and they can break the force of attraction between the particles, and they are converting into vapor state. So what in the earlier from activity 1.1 we discussed that why states of matter is occurring means due to the what they have when they are breaks their break their interaction between the particles means we already discussed the characteristics of particles. What are the characteristics of particles? They are continuously moving. There are three characteristics of particles are there. One is they are moving continuously, correct? Second point is there, they attract each other. Third point is there, they having space between them. So they attract each other and the space between them moving continuously. So this attraction power is overcome, means they will convert into different states of matter, right? We already discussed it in previous videos. Now you don't see that we didn't see in that videos means please go to my playlist of class 9th matter in our surrounding. We can see all the videos of this chapter. Gets converted into vapor, right? This phenomena of change of liquid into vapor state any temperature below its boiling point is called as a vaporization. Again, very important definition. So what is the vaporization means? You can write a change of what is changing here? A change of liquid state is changing into gaseous state at an below temperature of what boiling point. The liquid is converting into gaseous state without reaching its boiling point is known as vaporization. So remember that. What is vaporization? The liquid state is converting into gaseous state without reaching its boiling point. Boiling point is called as a evaporation. This is a 1 mark definitions. What is evaporation means? You can write easily. So the liquid is changing into gaseous state without reaching its boiling point is called as vaporizations. This is simple definition is there. The liquid is changing into gaseous state without reaching its boiling point is known as evaporation. Very simple definitions are there, but they are very essential for your exam purpose. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.